Today's Aston Martin is very special. It's a 1965 Aston Martin DB5, the James Bond car. Not the James Bond car, but another Silver Birch James Bond car. This DB5 has been well known to us for many years. It is a superb restoration, one of the best we've ever had, and we are proud to be able to offer it. Come along. Come on. All right, well, it's been sitting outside all day, and there we go with the choke on. Now we'll lower it a little bit, get on the road, handbrakes down. Let's set the tripometer. At least we know that's working, in case you do a nice little vintage road rally. Put the windows up. Up a little bit, drive through Suburbia, and come back to you. So, Antoine, my trusted patriot here, can sign off until we come back and we're at operating temperatures. Well, as we head through Suburbia, she's all warmed up. Temperatures are great. We'll be able to get on in a little while. Let's use this, put the antenna up, turn on the radio. It sounds awfully good. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, this is definitely not suitable for James Bond. But temperatures are great. Oil, there's someone behind us. Hold on. We're going to check the oil pressure at 3,000 RPM at operating temperatures. But now we're going to have to do it to the stop sign. Yep, 80 pounds plus at 3,000 RPM. She's good to go. Brakes. This car has been maintained religiously regardless of use in its previous collection. The engine got great response, which we will show you as soon as we hit the curvaceous road. It's not quite Switzerland, it's not quite the Alps. You know, it's not that we're on our way to Art Goldfinger's laboratory or anything, but we can always pretend, which is probably what we're going to do in a minute. Signals working, lights are working. It's really turnkey. It's an exceptional car. Alright, well, there's no Mustang behind us, but let's get on a little bit. It's got a handling kit. It's got great GT car performance and handling. And that DB 6-cylinder sound, which is awesome. Let's put the windows down real quick. Boy, they go quick. It's like a guillotine up and down. Shortly you'll be able to hear it from the outside. And I'm sure it will not disappoint in any way. This is where Antoine gets out, and no, there's no button here for the ejector seat, so I guess you got to use the door. better music. Alright, and it's off. Hope you all enjoyed those flybys and the glorious sound this Aston makes from the outside. It's a pleasure to drive. It's quick, it's roomy, it's comfortable, it's tight. We're going to go through the gears on the farm road and then do our usual, take her back to the homestead, clean her up, put her in the showroom, and welcome anyone's interest, because it is superb in every way. Guy looks like he's out of Planet of the Apes. Something on his head. I digress, sorry. But you tell me, look at him.
Did he have mutton chops?
I don't know, choppers? I mean, he's not Elvis. Whatever. It's Long Island. I'm not allowed to say what I feel. You guys have told me, without a doubt, I shouldn't say what I feel. Alright, here we go. First, second. Third gear. Fourth gear. Put the windows down a little bit. Fifth gear. As you can see, you can cruise all day long, drive across the continent. But if you want to attempt to outrun something, you know, like the chick in the Mustang, you know, capital C chick. Downshift the gear to get on it. Definitely not supercar power, but certainly powerful for today and still powerful enough to enjoy, even as an everyday car as they once were. I remember seeing these in the 70s being parked on many streets in London when they were actually used and enjoyed to the fullest. So, both Antoine and I thank you very much for watching this